Elizabeth, and she needs some help going to camp this year.
My name is Elizabeth, and I'm going to 4-H summer camp this year and need help getting there. Please support me by purchasing a plant, tree, or shrub. Half of all sales go to my camp fee. If you want to support me but don't need a tree, Broken Jackal is needing new trees. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Look at the link below, and it'll have a description of all the trees we have and the price. Thank you so much. This is my niece, Elizabeth, and she's going to camp this year. So please help support her in camp.
My name is Elizabeth, and I'm going to 4-H camp this summer. Please, and I need... No. We need to start over.
Okay, we'll start over.
Because I don't know.